Hi, this is Mrs. Bartling. I'm a second year teacher here at Iowa Falls Alden, and I'm going to be talking about our floriculture and horticulture courses that we're offering here at the high school in this last 9 weeks of the school year. So floriculture and horticulture coursework obviously focuses on plants, and we are looking at plants in terms of in the yard as well as in the house, and then also cut flowers and flower arranging. So we are looking at how we grow plants in and around the home, growing requirements for specific plant types. We're doing some plant propagation with cuttings and rootings. We're also working on some landscape design projects, and we'll be going over how to maintain trees and lawn care, as well as flower, fruit, and vegetable gardens. There's a lot of stuff to cover in just 8 weeks. We're also trying to encourage students to think about the hands-on activities that allow them to learn a little bit about designing as well as growing and maintaining plants in our indoor and outdoor gardens. And we're also trying to approach some of the ag business principles of cost of production, break-evens, and profit margin. Some of the products that we are working with in the classroom, students will take home, but some of these products will be available for sale within our school context or our school market. We certainly are not trying to compete with any local businesses, but we do want students to understand how to look at things with a business mindset. Some of the floriculture projects that we will have will include students to look at spatial design and plant selection in some basic floral products, so sprays, vases, and corsages. And we also want to talk about the social context of floral between cultures and different events, how we utilize flowers and agricultural products in the floral industry, and then also the design development and cost and design principles. If you have any questions about this class, please give me a call or email me. This is the first time we're offering it, so we're learning as we go along, but it's been a lot of fun to work on, and the kids have been fun. So I hope that if you do have any questions, you will reach out to me. Thank you.